If you're in the market for an EDM solution, why not visit Warwick Machine Tools? Now I'm here today and I'm going to speak to Andrew about some of the stock machines that they've got. Now, two customers we recently visited had benefited from having stock. Now, we're going to have a chat with Andrew. You've been very, very successful, as in Warwick Machine Tools, with the Excetek machines. Tell me a little bit about the background of Excetek and why these machines compete at the highest levels.
Excetek are a fairly new EDM producing company, but they brought in a lot of experience. The company was started by a Japanese engineer who has really developed a reliable wire thread system, and these machines we have found are extremely good value for money, extremely reliable, do what most people want a wire machine to do, and they're extremely good value for money.
And when you look at the range within the wire machines, what do you actually have?
What we tend to stock in the UK is the smallest machine, the V400G. The next machine up is a V500, but people tend to go for the 650, which gives you much more travel and capacity for the value.
And do they go larger than the 650?
Much larger, yeah. This is the standard range of machines. Excetek will build you a machine to suit your needs. So we do a 3-meter machine, for instance, and we do machines threading up to 1 meter in Z.
And from a hole drilling point of view, what does Excetek actually offer?
Excetek offer the HD30, which is the entry-level hole drill machine, and we also offer a CNC machine with auto electrode changer, auto guide changer, and also with indexers.
So any engineers that are actually watching this who are looking for an EDM solution, what's the benefit actually buying through Warwick Machine Tools and actually having the Excetek machines?
The benefit of Warwick Machine Tools is we are a small company, small enough to offer a very personalised service to the customer, but we're big enough to hold stock. And we have V400s, V650s, hole drillers in stock, so we can deliver within a week or two.
And when you look at the stock that you've got in here, do you always have stock on the waters coming over from Asia?
It's always, yeah, the machines are about 4 to 6 week delivery on the ship, so we've always got stock coming through. We always hold a couple of demo machines, and as you can see, a couple of stock machines ready to go out.
So any engineers that are looking for an EDM solution, what would be your message to them?
Certainly try Excetek, try Warwick Machine Tools and the Excetek machine, because it will do what you need to do on a wire machine.